What's up, guys? I'm super pumped because my new Progress sway bars just came in. So I'm gonna head over to my friend Zach's shop so we can install them. Well, so Zach can install them. But first, I gotta pick him up something that's gonna make this job worth it. No tomato.
Are you eating too?
Oh yeah, I'm eating.
For all you guys out there saying this job takes 4 hours, we'll see about that. You know what? I think it's a nightmare.
It's a nightmare. You look like a surgeon.
Oh yeah, I'm looking for your pecker.
Oh my gosh.
Wait a minute.
Tell them what they need.
So what you're gonna need for these back sway bars over here, you got two 12s holding on the bracket.
Yes.
You have 14 holding on the end link. Then over here, you got two more 12s holding on the other bracket, and then 14 holding on the other end link, and that's it.
Wimpy. Almost hefty. Almost.
But I do believe we'll be able to get it out without pulling the muffler off.
What if I want to take the muffler off?
Then fuck it, let's do it.
Oh, let's do it. Nice.
Oh yeah, there you go. A little lube definitely helps those tight situations.
Yes. But this is the only tight situation you know.
Oh, damn. Now lower that down. All you have is these 14s for the end links.
Okay.
Sometimes these like to get stuck. That's why you have an Allen inside on the actual end link. So if they get stuck, you can use the wrench and then just an Allen key.
Okay.
But a lot of times if you use power tools, it has enough torque just to pull it off.
Okay.
Slide those out of the way.
Nice.
We'll end up pulling the end link off the sway bar once it's out.
Once it's off.
That's out. And you just got two 12s.
Two 12s.
Holding on each bracket. Make sure to keep track of where your nuts go,
Oh.
you know? And
That's it.
It's out.
It's out.
once it's out, all you have to do is get the end links off, which is gonna be a 14.
14. God, I'm so happy you're doing this.
Pop it out.
Pop it out.
These things open up.
Ah, sweet. And they
then
go on the inside of that?
These guys are gonna go on the inside, yeah. This thing on.
Actually, it goes on the outside. Okay, that took me, 10 minutes. That took about 10 minutes. We did remove the muffler, but we probably didn't have to.
No,
We could've
I mean, the only way I feel like if you weren't to remove the muffler, you would have had to pull one of the wheels off because there would have been there would have been no way to slide it out. So I think the muffler is probably the best way to go about it. You just have the 4 hangers holding it up.
Yeah.
And once those are out of the way, you're good to go. On to the front.
Oh.
Huh. Yeah, we'll be able to get it out. We're gonna get it out that way. That's easy peasy.
Wrong. This off.
Yeah, so you just have to take the undercover off. A couple of 10s, a couple of these clips, which we got some tools to
Okay.
get them out, you know.
Nice.
If you don't have this kind of tool, you also have these pliers, which are, you can get at any tool store. Yep. A socket was just worn out. They are definitely.
What are they? 8?
You're just gonna want to pull these fender liners back,
Okay.
or the skid plate.
Yeah.
Just so you can access the other 10s.
Okay, take
You're more than well. You can leave these on if you want and fold them out of the way. We may end up having to pull them out. I'm not too sure yet. We'll find out. And then that comes
Oh,
out.
look at that. So you're gonna take the wheels off?
Yeah, I think it's gonna be the easiest. Yeah, we can start getting this out.
All right, let's do it.
We have two 14s. And
how are we gonna get
14.
that top 14 out? Look at that, it's like...
A wrench.
How are you gonna remember where all these bolts go? And that nut.
What do you mean? These are all undercover, 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 undercover. These are the screws for plastic for the undercover. Oh, now they're all organized. See the exhaust. See it swivel.
Look at that, he just knows things.
He knows. There. So now, your end link.
Oh, you took off the end link?
Out. Yeah, it was just
Okay.
114. Just get it
114?
I'm gonna go
You're gonna
ahead
take it
and
off.
pull out this inner fender liner.
All right.
Just to, you don't need to, it's not a necessity, but
It's gonna make things
having
easier.
access to a rack
Yeah.
definitely makes this more
Doable?
doable. Here,
Okay.
same idea as the other side. Now that this fender liner is out,
Yep.
you can actually see clearly the two 14mm bolts.
Right.
Nuts, sorry, I don't know why I said bolts. And then you have the 14mm holding on this end link.
Okay.
You zap that off.
All right.
14. Trying to see if I can hang the subframe a little bit.
You're gonna hang the subframe.
Not hang, we're just gonna loosen her up a bit. So what I'm doing right now is I'm
Yeah.
just I'm loosening
This- oh, wait,
the I'm loosening the engine mount just a little bit, still leaving it attached.
Oh,
But I'm gonna loosen
okay.
that just to give yourself a little bit of space. It's actually behind this cover. It's gonna be up here
Oh my God, how'd he get up there?
with my handy dandy Chingo Bodero.
Oh my God.
So I'm still leaving this nut attached. I'm just loosening the threads a little bit. That way,
Okay.
when I lower the subframe, it allows it to lower.
Okay. So you're loosening the subframe.
Yes.
Okay.
What the actual fuck designed this thing?
What? You can't get to it? Oh my God, what is that thing?
Alignment.
How are you gonna take that off? Oh, with that thing?
Like this guy. If I can get it in there.
You can get it in. What did we do so far? So we took off, what is this? All this?
So this is gonna be all the undercover we took off. We took off the fender liner on that side, or half of the
Yep, open
fender
it up.
liner, just
Okay.
to open it up. And then right now, we're just trying to lower the subframe a little bit. Not to where we're pulling it out.
To give us like, what, a half inch more?
And as
Oh
you can see,
my.
slowing
Oh
down a
wow,
little
it just really came down. That's kind of scary.
bit. Oh yeah, a lot more.
Oh wow. Okay, how much more room was that? That's a decent amount right there. By dropping the subframe, we got what?
I mean,
We got
a decent amount.
Yeah,
I mean, and
a decent
you're not
amount.
even really dropping it too much.
yeah. It probably gave us an inch.
Yeah, before I couldn't even get the wrench in there
Yeah.
because this is still hitting.
Is there any way to get this thing off? Can we get at least the? Oh God! What do you want to do?
Pull the end links off to give
Pull
ourselves
off the end links. Okay.
a little bit more
Oh yeah. Take those off.
room just to slide it out.
Okay.
And I'm gonna stand up here and I'm gonna try to feed it out.
Okay.
Oh, let's feed that. Feed me.
I think that's gonna go in this way. There ain't no
All right,
way.
hold on.
Taking off the tie rods.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Let me get hammer.
Stop. Hammer time.
We're just trying to get. Just can't swing much. Are you fucking kidding me?
Oh Jesus.
Like one of them out, you know? now?
What if I turned one way? These rubber parts. He did it! It's really going now. Oh my god! You hurt my finger! Oh my god, there we go! Oh. Now how the fuck are you gonna get it out?
I really don't know.
I think if we get them both on this side. That's how we saw some.
Okay, so
like this?
Okay.
Oh. Huh. Oh my god, it's coming down. Holy shit. Oh, that's crazy.
This is absolutely ridiculous. Get this fucking piece of shit.
And now that you just took it out, how much of a pain is that?
It's a nightmare.
It's a nightmare. Okay. Feed in the new one. Good thing. You know what? I think. Oh! Shit. Oh god, shit's all over. Yep. There we go. Bring it around. Now. There we go. Holy shit. Perfect. Finally got the new sway bar in. How long did that take?
2 hours.
2 hours. We dropped the subframe. Number one, look at the instructions. But we're men, we don't look at instructions. Okay, perfect. So they're both on middle setting. Nice. All right. Well, we're bolting everything back up. Taking it out was unbelievably horrific. I am so excited to see how this drives. So excited.
Are you excited about the I left loose?
First start with no muffler. Dude, thank you so much. That was, what a job. What a job.
Yeah, I give you guys props for those of you who do that at home in your driveway, because that was definitely a mission. I feel like if I would have read the directions, it would have probably helped a lot.
Yeah.
But, you know, we got it done. Went together a lot faster than came apart, but...
Dude, no muffler?
It actually sounds
so good. You can't even hear it with a muffler. Dude, I can't believe how good this thing actually sounds.
Yeah, it sounds very good.
Oh! Yeah! Alright, so where can I go that I can do some turns? Oh my god.
The canyon.
Well guys, that was a mission. But I'm super stoked because tomorrow I'm going to be taking these bad boys out in the canyons, and I'm going to be posting a link below to that video within 24 hours. So I'll see you tomorrow. Redlining Redhead out.